Hi there. I just wanted to make a quick video to show everybody how to use our website, which, we're not really an e-commerce website, but we've done what we can to try to get our website a little easier to use during this time. So there's a couple different things happening here on our website. We've got a new online portal that you can talk in person with people, consultations. We can do it video consultation or over the phone. We just brought out our outdoor, so I'm going to do a tour of that later. But I did want to show you how you can use our website. So up here, you've got an account that you can create. And what's nice about creating an account is you can make room plans, and then you can also save items to your account. So I'm going to go here and go to living room first and click on, I'll click on sofas. So we've been working really hard on arranging our website by what we have in stock. So if you see here, I guess we can only go 2 times. If you see right here where there's a little picture, that means it's on display. And we've been working really hard on getting the sofas that we actually show in our showroom to show up first, because we thought that would be better to show what we're showing on the first couple pages. So if you click on something like a sofa like this, it's thinking. You can, over here, you can request more information, which will send us an email. You can check for special offers, or you could shop live with a consultant, which is one of our designers that's working from home. So some of our items we have priced. There's pricing down here in it. Right here is where we can add it to favorites. And if you can create like a whole little list of stuff, and then you go up here to your account and you go to favorites, and when you click in favorites, you can actually send us your list and we can price it all out for you. Right here we have accessories, and my niece actually has been working from home on getting all of our spring drop items into the website. So you'll see here, I know all of our winter collection is in here, so if you type in like search winter, it'll show up all of our winter collection. And right now we're working on getting our spring collection in. So like, here, I'll click on that one. We just hung this up yesterday. You can click here where it says view all of the items in the spring collection. These are all the new pretties that we've brought in, and she's probably about halfway through that. We've got all of our bigger art in there, and then we're just unpacking our very boho spring items. So there's where you can see some of the stuff that we have in stock. And again, if that little picture is there, that means it's on display. What else? You can go here and do a room plan. And I could do a whole tutorial on just how to do room plans, which I will do that. You can join our email list, which is really fun. I think we do a great job on it. And you can also join that up here. We'll send you a special offer when you do join our email list. Down here, you can connect to our Facebook page, our Instagram, or Pinterest. Obviously, we also have YouTube, and I think we'll pop that up here. This is a new feature for us here. Our bank did this for us where we can actually make a payment online, which is nice. And then here, if you have a delivery happening today, this connects up to our delivery system, and it'll tell you when to expect your delivery. Oh, wait, you can't see that. Let's see. There, it's down there at the bottom. It's track your delivery. So anyway, there's a little tutorial on how to use our website.